Every wall I ever built came crumbling down before. But your hand inside of mine feels like bedrock, something more. This ain't written on the wind.
Firi Samorani Kaya, welcome to another episode. Kamalamu MK, you are watching ISEBI. ISEBI stands for creatives, entrepreneurs, business people, and also our innovators. Vandaag Pete Krutman, and we've had chatting behind the scenes. I kind of know him, but then I don't want to spoil the fun, and as well as the tradition yet. So, Krutman Lamu Mnandi ma. Izinto. Yeah, I couldn't do it to actually greet you. Yeah, to actually greet you. Letali buye Soweto. Represent Soweto.
Yeah, Soweto, but then in the flow of.
Okay.
Because it's out of Soweto.
Yeah, it's part of Soweto.
But
is it
like,
not? Okay.
It's outside Soweto, but Soweto say bega gachi.
Sure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Bengicela ta musibagaye some pithinyana ye background ngawe kahle ukuthi ubani, ubuya kuphi, uzalelwe kuphi kanjani.
Okay. Igama lami ke ngicala ngalo. Isiyabonga akwaGumede. Yeah, and then my stage name is Ska Beats, like S $ and a K.
Okay.
Yeah, $ with a K. And then kuzalelwa kwami ke ngiphume eDlamini. Yeah, ngizale ngikhulwe noma Ofi noma Grizo. Mathanga bekangekho. Yeah, but I feel growing up was like really artistic for me because like ngikhule nale talent of draw.
Sure. Okay.
So started draw, and then every time when I listen to music, I don't know, like I always had that feeling which is like, dang, I shall like this.
Okay. Sure.
But benganalwazi ngawo like music back then, so it was a thing of let me chill, keep on drawing and see what happens.
Okay.
And then draw became achieved that like I was moving out a lot. Yeah, moving out a lot. Yeah, but it's kind of long thing like single shalo khona eMpumalanga for like 3 years. But nyaka mokuqala faded ngahlangana nama out. Show music fade. Like okay, but ngancanyede like ngisiphatha ngakhona ngiyintwana mina bekamakhot man.
Sure.
Okay. Angifake roomini nakhona sinini ngibona iFL Studio for the first time then. Let the show music.
Sure.
Yabona ngibangela like afile ngihlupha uma off mangifika endlini. Sangithengele laptop.
Laptop. We need to get the software. Okay.
Yabona afile ngamhlupha. Kanti hayi ecele ngabhese ngihlanganisa indaba zama mic. Hlanganisa afile. Yeah, started there which was 2019.
Okay.
Yeah. Started there.
Yeah, usasemusha ndoda.
Yeah.
2019. Yeah, usasemusha ndoda. How many years has it been?
19
5, 6, somewhere there.
Yeah, 7.
7. Yo. So you got 7 years experience with hip hop industry.
Yeah, but it look solid kahle 2024.
Okay.
Yeah, so I found like sound yami yaba the one.
Yeah, let's reflect to the moments where usakhangela sound yakho. Khambani da ngawapha ama genres ospana kuwo, ngawapha ama projects osebenza kuwo, uspana nabobani. Like I want the deciding moment, like ngifuna build up a deciding moment to say, you know what, I think it's time for me to actually find the sound yami and represent myself ngendlela engifuna ngayo. Yabo. But ngawapha ama moments that led you to decide.
Yeah, what a question. That moment was like, let me see. It was 2024.
Okay.
Yeah, when like, yeah, okay, being to school in 2023. Then like, okay, music is just a thing of like, okay, just doing it. Didn't want to like pop out. Well,
Okay.
okay, thathe a break, time I got the score, thathe a break, I want say I only got music. Bengakwazi ukuthola isibhalo. It was like college, whatever the case was.
Sure.
So nakhona back then nakhona sound yami it was a thing of ngishaya ama quick bengingama-star like
Okay.
Fundy one. So like nakhona ke uthe makuhamba isikhathi ngibona say ngathi izinto zihlangana. I was like, okay, bet, let me just invest to this once, because like bekuyithemba lami. I'm not gonna lie, like getting those heartbreaks, like doubts, like no one supporting and stuff.
Sure.
So I was like, if ngizoba nje zwele like leyo mcabango leyo, I won't be the person I want to be. So I was like, bet, let me do things I don't like in order to get where I want to be.
Sure. Ne? Okay.
Yeah.
There's a moment where you say, after uhlangane ne-laptop ubone i-FL kula ma-Grootman, you're like, mangifika endlini ngiyohlupha uma o-late. Now she buys you a laptop, if ever she did. Now sewune-equipment yakho for you to actually do your thing. Did you go straight into produce ama-beat, or when ubuzolanda i-beat eseli-ready and then you put in ama-vocals wakho uzama ukumixa and stuff? Come back.
Yeah, that's a good question. In terms of bengenzani, bengishaya ama-beat ngefone.
Okay.
Ngale phone ngale app le bathi Caustic.
Yeah.
So yeah, so long ngishaya ngayo ama-beat bese the vele mangihlala nama-Grootman angikhombisa na khona i-FL, laptop, computer.
Sure.
Yabona, so akithi bangayi-afford. I was like, guy, batshela ukuthi kanje nakanje ngifuna ukwenza into kanje nakanje, and they were like, okay, support the sport ukuthi how do you like take it serious. Yeah, babona every time bangigcina bangane like ne-sound system yabo eyi-one.
Okay.
Bona
Yeah,
bamuza lapha ekamereni eyi-one. Yabona, I was like, yeah.
And how is being part of a family of music changed a life yakho from before ungena ku music, and when now you've realized ukuthi, you know what, I'm an artist ngoku? Like, how did you notice ukuthi i life yakho ishintshile, if ever yashintsha?
The time abantu sebaqala ukungibiza ngegama nge-stage name sami.
Sure.
Yeah, that's when I started to see like ngathi mase bangithatha serious, no.
Okay.
Bangibiza no ngegama lami. I was like, hey, okay. But like nabo bafo vele.
Okay, yeah.
Stage name. But it was a thing of bengayithathele kind. I was like, just a nickname. Let me just chill. But then it's a thing of now letting slave being shy when like I'm sitting alone. Like, nah man. I am Ska Beats.
Okay, inegeza ukuthi ube sure.
Like
Inegeza
when
ukuthi
I'm
ube
listening
sure.
to my tracks and
Yeah.
like so far as well as like I'm pushing now, because starting like back then bengibanjezelwa abantu like bengakwazi like push into zami kahle.
Sure,
For example, like obvious I was started like being a producer. Like people was checking my stuff. Oh, like I'm upcoming. I won't mention names though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like bang checking those like I'm told the credit nyana like nothing. So I was like, okay, what if I try rapping? Alright, let me try it. Azama, okay. Hlangana nabantu, ngifaka leyo sauce leyo, number guy sauce type thing. Then yeah, take it mase ngiqinisile again sandleni.
Sure.
Angiyazidazini. Sanandaba manje.
Okay.
Till uspana nami futhi isipani sami sizongikhulumela. If you like my stuff or whatever the case is, uzoringa nami. So yeah.
Okay. So how far are you now? Kama project or akhona ama projects obusy ngawo, or sewashayile ase aphumile? Come
Yeah.
on.
Akhona futhi sengoshayela icala ukudropa vele kulo nyaka.
Okay. khani bewuqala ukudropa this year?
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
You mean
that's-
yonke le 7 years, le 6 years industry? I would drop it next, not.
I was, but low key, I was dropping on SoundCloud though.
Yeah.
But I didn't appreciate. I gotta invest.
Okay.
I was like,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. It's like can you confidence, you drop music wakho into the public space. Sizokriticize ukuthi ampeto lento leyo ishayayo and stuff. Yeah, uzosithola. That's the thing. Ukuthi uzosithola.
Red.
Yeah. I'm interested in knowing about support oyifumanayo ekhaya, especially kwi-career yakho. How is the support oyifumanayo ekhaya? I've heard earlier you've mentioned ukuthi uye wahlupha uMaChris ukuthi akuthengile i-laptop for you ukuthi ushaye sispan, and then it got to that point because i-laptop iye wayifumana, and they even bakhatha ne-sound labo to give you some ukuthi uzokhona ukupusha this thing. So i-support vele bekhona, but according to you, because umuntu that was experiencing everything beyenzakala ekhaya, how was the support yasekhaya?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it is mad crazy since now. Manje vele.
Sure.
Like qale nge-laptop edu ma-ofi tema khamba isikhathi ngithi computer leso sikhathi ngibuye eskila ngiyasha ngisaplomela eMpumalanga yabona fede bhayela computer tema vele macela ukuthi ngibhayela computer asalankale sound system ebekanayo yonke. Okay, bonus.
Yeah.
So I don't have to invest a lot so like equipment. So
yeah.
bengibhala like ama-mic mangabe yaphuka bhayenye bangcwalisele mangabe bangcwalisele.
Sure. Okay, no, that's dope. And how are you marketing music work? How are you making sure that it gets to indlebe zethu and we're not only listening to it but siya engage and not engage?
No lie, kwamanje marketing side I'm like still trying to like build it right. Kind of like ingena kuwe because I was into like producing and focusing on like music, like I wasn't focused on the marketing side as well. But my bonus nah, man. I'm a brand as well, so I have to be like strategic about like my marketing. How do I get like people to listen to my music?
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't lie on that one. In Cody Rex, where man you sang Kombisu to K, do this and do that,
yeah,
and
yeah.
I don't lie. The guys in Shana, I'm doing jalo, because yeah, it's a thing of my Shana where I'm the Kunmang is in they're not like trying to see what like vision I'm good to whatever
Yeah,
the case is.
yeah,
So-
bafuna ukuchange kuphela.
I think I want to buy I'm not gonna lie.
Okay. Yeah, ngiyakuthola. How is especially working with amajita afana nabo Cody Rex contributed into your life yakho? Because I hear that he's one of the people assista kakhulu in terms of uzipushe yabo. But ever since uhlangane naye, how did you notice ukuthi no man, we are actually on the right direction? Like ziziphi moments where we begele out leyo be like, I see you Mjit, even if I'm not gonna say it out loud, but yeah, I see.
Shit.
Sure.
Okay. Okay, because time must start and I was like, okay, maybe it's just gonna be another nigga who's and then it's gonna be one hit wonder, then also three, but we say,
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, sure.
so I want to very done consistent one, because I don't lie, me in charge of being okay. When it comes to this music thing, I charge. It's like in charge of like not about like being expand nabo, like even expand nabo na much.
Sure.
Like we're saying, be consistent. Like it's mad crazy because even in terms of like marketing, like yeah, like shit.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, I gotta start shooting. Wanna like.
And that nigga has got like imam that's
Yo.
actually doing promotion
Yo.
for you.
And like a poon guy so.
Overreact daughter.
Sninja ngesource. It's fine. Yeah, it's
mele
fine.
uphase mfethu kumele usiphasele nathi at least oyi-1 nama lokhu aphosta ama-shots wami ntanga mfethu because even if I go to the guys TikTok yabo ndoda uzothi usascrolla kamnandi la uzothi ucinge enye umama ndoda singing isong yoyibe
nami ngisanokumbuza lapha kuma-status ngithi go stop up please.
Lezi ntanga mfethu milisha enhle kumele ushaya music video la invite these mamas and then ibize mina ngizoshoot
nami ngikhona.
yeah ne so we actually doing there's a business summit esizoyishaya ka year because we've extended invitation kuma artists as well to come and be part of the event yabo ngingakhuluma no Rex as well. When I broke the idea into him, I broke it ngalendlela yokuthi I'm going to give tickets to artists that are going to come and perform yabo because thina MK we are trying by all means to fight indaba ye-unemployment yabona nabantu abasipanayo mahala and then there's nothing ezwakala emasayidini wabo yabo because we get the frustration yokungena studio and then we have to think of a beat and then on top of thinking of a beat you have to come up with lines sininini noku-extractor from whatever that's happening in your personal life uyifake kayi because you're trying to make this thing ukuthi mayisebenze and stuff yabo so we understanding us understanding yonke leya process leya and stuff that's when we thought ukuthi man let us also extend invitation into artists as well yabo but one thing that I'm going to tell you is that everyone that's going to be coming or that's coming to participate into events waka MK is not an organization as dependent thina kuma sponsorship abo government wonke lama funds like that organizations are privileged kuyo thina we a private company si negotiate partnerships more than fundings yabo so when we are going to a company or sifuna imali we propose ke theme ye partnership asinala nto ukuthi sifande we're doing initiative for a community and stuff but understanding where we at nenkathi esiphila kuzo we saw and then we felt ukuthi there's a need man ukuthi artists should be compensated mabezwakala bezoperforma kuma events that we are doing yabo so because we are not doing events lawo out of logistics ezizimele nje ukuthi guys I'm at your disposal use me yonke into we have to pay for it ukuthi sibe nayo we thought ukuthi okay everyone that you are inviting into the event sizombhatalisa yabo artists we going to make them pay us so that we can pay them yabo sathi sizokuthengisela istage nge2 clipper and then sizokunikeza ticket awu50 each ticket is worth 50 rand leya mali leya tickets it's yours it's your salary for leya performance ozobuyenza la yabo now the tricky side for artist la Soweto is that ublome Soweto are you going to convince fans zakho zaseSoweto if ever you've got fans zaseSoweto kuphela to buy tickets and then travel ezwakale zizokubukela uperforma if ever you can be able to do that willingly singakunikeza ticket for you too but MK yona on its own it doesn't cater for ithokoza kuphela so that is why I prioritize ukuthi sisipane nabantu baseSoweto nakuphi even if ungavela umuntu wase Cape Town athi what I do is in line with the event oyenzayo can I be part of it and stuff if ever siyabona ukuthi vele it's in line you can come from Cape Town uzosipana nathi yabo because we cater for everyone even from Africa or outside the Africa go America you can still come because we are found nathi up yabo so yeah I'm saying lonto le because as I've spoken no Cody Rocks behind the scene or Emafoni and stuff and then I asked him ukuthi akhulume nani ani invited to come and be part of the event and stuff this is the idea that we have and then this is the plan besinayo for us to be able to make sure that you guys are also making money go music win yabona as much as you are investing isikhathi sakho at the end of the day, even if you perform for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you got a minimum of a 2.5 down. Yabo. So we're still gonna talk more about Lento Leyo, and I'm actually raising Lento Leyo during this episode, so that whoever that's watching you ngoku and that is curious as to Ishaiwanda Lumjitalo Unjani on stage, I want to say to you guys that he's one of the artists that are going to be performing on our business summit. So please come and watch him, guys. Please.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And you said that bewuqala ukudropa this year.
Yeah.
So far kuma-track owadrophile yepho uzwayo ukuthi this one can be my breakthrough.
Ngingayicabanga leyo kwamanje. I'm just gonna keep dropping.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Sadropa nje with
Because
hopes
online,
ukuthi
for
izofika
mina
ezindleleni ezisharp.
Because for mina wonke sharp.
Okay, ne.
Wonke sharp. But kuya ngumuntu ukuthi uzwani.
Uzwane. Yeah. I remember
But on my recent drop, I track one, Flex.
Flex.
Yeah.
Okay.
You like drop EP, No Sleep. So I'm gonna drop a deluxe corner like maybe after a month.
Unawo ama distracts so far.
You.
Come on.
Yeah.
Have you ever found yourself in a situation where sewuyadiswa or sekumele udise as an artist?
Akazi ngidiswe, but mina ngathi bangiphokile ukuze ngidise yabo.
Or when udisile,
Yeah, mina
how did they
ngadise.
poke you?
So, okay.
Ask easy, no, that's easy. I'm just
I
curious.
bet. Cool. So, I won't say the nigga's name, but here's the story. It's like, okay, finally out, fade, okay, I rap, we're not I bet dope flows and stuff. Okay, cool. Yes, it's gonna share something. I feel it, we get along. Best buddies, I feel it. We're just smoking together and like chilling together every time.
Sure.
Shama cross night session. Okay, yes, go by. Kinda la figure con, which is 2024. Yeah, 2024. That's when I was like started to discover my sound, guys.
Yeah.
Like I call and I fit, but the thing of actually produce or just a rap. Yeah. Then I can be scared. See the thing of now, we get too close to the point where now it's like what is it? These, my man, these. So now, okay, couldn't F4 saying like the time I got like the music 2019. I'm bringing the Air Force. Yeah, last because being a cool. So the last thing I doing I was born, I customized.
Sure.
That was dope. Way dope. Okay, cool. Alright, I'm bored. Sometimes I'll be okay, cool. Renovate it. I feel it. Kind of last me love icon. This nigga, Young Double Cross, he's like, bro, I'm gonna give you the terms and you're gonna pass me these niggas. Uzolanda my team again, like git.
Okay.
Like I bet, cool. Can't the same time no ngakhuluma nabo uyahamba angazi. Okay, I'm like, okay, I didn't have a problem no. Okay, like ngikhulume naye and be like, yo gaw. Nginabafuna unka my teams cause bawacaba fade and you double cross me, so it's either you pay me or you shy pigs. Simple.
Sure.
Nigga, ngishaya ngebomb le out. Mangithe gaw, noma ngithi ngifuna ukuyi-check ngithola isitshela ukuthi manje ngifuna imali or like nigga I'm just, like ngifuna ukucheck ukuthi come back.
We out here. Yeah, sure.
So abafathule for months. Like I feel ithatha kanjalo. Bet athi ufuna ama track. Athi angifuni. Like labo sirecorda go because beyanokulahle ama phone. Then yeah, I'm just I'm full. But that's why it's years come back because nakhona songithatha ngathi the person you portray me as. I was like, hey, take it the way you want to take it. mina ngifuna into zami.
Okay.
Simple. Awuthi two, okay, cool. Khona la vele angitexta khona nowathi vele ublockile. I was like, yeah. Bese aposte udoti lapho ku Instagram. Iqale lapho inkinga. Because of his any scenario, but I'm not gonna go through it. I'm gonna lie, I'm not gonna go through it. But
sizo i-edita and then zonke iziphathi ezingathi azikho-green sizozikhatha out.
I bet. Okay, then go on a commotion with my nigga. Best buddy. Yeah. Ish. Hey. Yeah, ish. Shit happened. Should I say?
Let's take a short break.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take a short break. Yeah, Manisha, welcome back, Bafit. Yeah, I'm promenade recruitment, Scabit. I've got more questions about it, but I'm still interested on where we left off before we begin. Come on, what actually happened?
Okay. So lento uma qala ayipostile shoot manje uposte post enye into no coding ngaze ngamsendela like beschool live. Then okay, let me just explain this thing well. Yeah, fine. When 2024 yeah, 2024. Hey, that's when a lot of shit happened. I was building my sound, people. So, so now, it is a thing of now, it's umjolo, man. Yabo, it's umjolo. Bafo, umshaya ngestina.
Ishaya wena ngestina.
Mina.
Yeah. Now I get why I was struggling to get to this point.
I'm sharing Stina. Fade I'm going said yeah, sure, number guys. But okay, sahlala sangakhulumisana for like years and le outs le ngidc like ngumaqala naye. So it was a thing of la ngicala ungistressa khona. You know, ukuthi you can be best buddies now. But you cannot go and chill nomuntu ngicaba uthi I don't really like click with anymore. Like
okay.
Because you also know the scenario and the scenario also causes us to like very distance each other. Yeah, boy. So the guy no chilla naye aline bonke like do all of that stuff. I'm like, hey, bese ukhuluma ngami like ngambuza like ngikhuluma nje. Like ngiyazi vele like I'm the topic somehow nje like during bahle. So when you told a little info and then I vele asitshela ukuthini makanobongitshela ukuthi uthini nani she's trying to play it like I'm like in the end of the day dog lento yenza mina ngeke ngithi ngichila lo muntu ngicaba uthi ngizwana naye. That's just how I take it.
Okay.
Yabo. But I get to see ngingabi nenkinga, just let it be. Yabo. Then uba forget I post a lot of lo ukuthi wish am I allowed to curse?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
This nigga saying this bitch ass nigga he said this nigga is bitching up over a fake one. This was kind of like thing by spot scene that door. I want to that door like thing. For so white, yes, door glule mnyam. So now he's saying that. He's telling me, yeah, man. I'm like, hi. I'm like, okay, yeah, I should see this nigga bitching up over a fake one. Now. Nakhona mention ukuthi ngasha umaqala ngestina umaqala khona we best buddies with a page like ngibiza I'm like I posted like 3 times in a row like
calling you a bitch.
Yeah, bese mina ngaclapper back ngani ngesnippet and a comment.
Okay.
ngahleka isilo i-comment yakhe athi ngimessage delete mina ama-message wakhe anginasikhathi nokumshaya nangoSimu ngamkhombisa ukuthi hey angikufili anginandaba nawo yabo so manje imthinta lapho ukuthini ngiziba ama-message wakhe ngapho uyabona ukuthi I did clap back to what you posted ku story sakho because tema cede ukupost angitheka
yeah
le out is serious mas esatheka nale out ya vele le ngithi I started in bed yabo asho ekaw caba gale postana avela clap back there shaya this avela I think I posta ku Facebook
disange-track la
snippet track snippet just leyo part le ayizwa ngaze ngabhala nama lyrics lapho ukuthi ayifuni
yeah la wajita yeah okay
yeah that's that yes ukuthi ngithema ngiceda ngaye ngathi hayi sob singiphume kuwe kodwa lelo track lizodropa uzolizwa kahle it's a banger though but when it comes to my part yeah it flips and yo the beat changes yo yes Undertaker
ngifuna ukuliza le track so after uye wangena kulento yomdiso ene public space engagement especially kuma platforms wakho na ku music wakho yabanjani did you grow or you were stuck in that new one or my friends were like not this one and then akubaleka
yeah I feel like even if my friends are mazange like I entertain it's fine there like why would I invest in that nigga so it's just a record it's just a record
yeah
so.
Okay ngiyakuthola angifuni ukubamba kakhulu nesigcine sesikhuluma izinto engingamelanga sizikhulume ne but igama lakho man I can't get it off my head I'm in my head Skabeats US wakho $,
yeah both $,
phaku
beats but kusi akunasi is K
yeah
ska
yeah it's the pronunciation yabo yeah rigama obviously when going to say Skabeats the word ska nje on its own even if ska we ska or ska whatever it is that you meant linesino yabona there's so much to think masuzwa the word ska yabo so interest yami isekutholeni ukuthi kahle khambane what inspired the word to a point where ugcina sewuthi I'm going with this word I'm going public with this word. You are an artist and I know I'm artist abaya they like to give us a hint of something and then babuye bashare sizibuza those questions and this is my platform to actually ask you more questions so that when I look at you or I listen to your songs or I follow you ngiyazi ukuthi who am I following kahle so Skabeats skantanga like the word ska nje on its own khambeni mfethu
okay ngizwe ichaza kahle kusizo understand kahle cela ngingasuka Skabeats mangicala
okay
ngizwe ngubani FTK/Kid yeah kanti to find out ukuthi FTK khona i-brand njalo /Kid khona umuntu already pusha ngalelo gama
okay
I was like man angifuni ukuba wanna be manje ngiyakhupha and all that it was like okay ngabhekisisa kahle bekhona enye out kuthiwa ubani Scarlord sort of crazy nigga say UK shot like i-rage trap
sure
yeah back then nginokuthanda ukudilute like into enokuyimamela like ngihlanya kancane yabo ngemele rage trap le
okay
yeah so snigger was Scarlord like ngachaza like my body posture yakhe like not like us portray ngakhona ngo always like wearing that mask shining dizzy my tattoo I was like shit that's dope I develop bagage yabo yeah then Kambi Scar is feeling I change gum. Then I was like Scar, but why is Scar pen? Nah, I shouldn't be Scar pen. Shana my beat. Okay, why was this Scar beat? Because 99 most of the time when I go through heartbreaks, shitty moments, cannot come back from that one. And like yonke into ebheke nje like idizizela leyo no wazi ukuthini izokudepress or like whatever the case is. I know ukuthini just go to the bedroom, studio, bambi laptop, computer, FL Studio izongibamba ngohlelo. So actually the beats help me.
Nah, ngikutholile. And I thought you're not gonna give me this answer. And bengizoyigubha ne. I tell you bengizoyigubha uzozufike la. But yeah, no ngikutholile Dayam. Thank you man for kushayela around kayifa. Yeah, I tell you, from recruitment ngihlangane naye ekseni manje ngilanda la eGagaji, and when you compare the times, I know you now way more than I did. Yeah. Yeah. For whoever that would be actually interested, especially after watching this episode, ugu sponsor sakho utholakala kanjani ama-social media handles wakho athini, and udropha kuphi music wakho under which name?
My socials, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, 808 Scario or Scar on the Beat. Facebook Scar on the Beat, then TikTok, Instagram 808 Scario at 808 Scario, no underscore.
Okay.
Yeah. Then music platforms I drop everywhere. There's Scar Beats, $, Car Beat, $.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, thank you man. Thank you.